Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on new followers on push notification settings on your account on X, Twitter, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings and privacy, and now click notifications, and now click preferences, and now click push notifications. And here you will find it, new followers, click on it and it will be turned on. That's how to turn on new followers on push notification settings, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.